Today, I got my hands on a tire dressing that's making a bold claim: Cerakote's Rapid Ceramic Tire Coat and Protectant. According to the company, this isn't your typical tire shine. It's a professional-grade ceramic coating that supposedly lasts 10 times longer than leading competitors. And to back it up, they even offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So, the real question is, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Right off the bat, let's take a quick look at what you're getting. Most tire shine products come in 16-ounce bottles, but Cerakote only gives you 10 fluid ounces. On the scale, that comes out to about 0.756 pounds. Following the instructions, I gave it a good shake and used the included applicator. My first impression? It's surprisingly watery. Instead of a thickened liquid like most tire shines, this formula is thin and fluid. And instead of a pleasant scent, there's a slight ethanol-like smell, likely to help with fast drying. Now, a thinner formula does have its pros. It spreads easily, especially into the grooves and textures of the tire. But on the flip side, it's more prone to dripping, especially if you spray it directly onto the surface. Once worked in, the tire immediately took on that showroom new look, just as promised. Thanks to its watery consistency, the product lays down a nice, thin, uniform coat that's less likely to sling or attract dirt. After finishing one application, I put the bottle back on the scale, 0.736 pounds. That means I used about 0.02 pounds of product, which works out to roughly 46 cents per application. Not the cheapest option out there, but if it holds up, it could be worth it. 30 minutes in, plenty of time to dry in this California summer weather, I pulled back the tape from our control section. There's no denying it. The treated area looks significantly better, with a richer, darker finish. Now for what you've all been waiting for, the durability test. Cerakote claims this product lasts 10 times longer. Most tire dressings I've tested hold up around 2 to 3 weeks, so we're looking at 20 to 30 weeks of performance if that claim holds water. At the 2-day mark, the tire still looked great, but I did spot a few sling specks on the trim. Not ideal, but not terrible either. A week in, and I noticed a bit of dulling, likely just some dust and road grime settling in. Totally normal for a daily driver. At the 2-week mark, with fair weather and no rain, the tire still looked well dressed, although not quite as vibrant as day one. Still, I wouldn't feel the need to reapply just yet. For the sake of testing, I hit the tire with a 2-minute spray down using just a hose. No soap, no pressure washer, mimicking a heavy rain. There was clear water beading, especially noticeable when compared to the untreated control section. It's a good sign the ceramic protection is still active. Even after a thorough soaking, I could still see product left behind. While the high gloss shine had diminished, the tire wasn't bare. But if I wanted to keep that fresh, just dressed look, I'd definitely consider reapplying at this point. So does Cerakote's Rapid Ceramic Tire Coat and Protectant live up to its 10x longer claim? Honestly, I'll leave that one up to you. The performance is impressive, no doubt, but whether it lasts 20 plus weeks under all conditions, that's a tough bar for any product. That said, I am impressed by the clean, low sling application, the decent water resistance, and the overall look. It's a premium product at a premium price, but it might just be worth it for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.